Hello guys, so for today's video I'm gonna show you how can you change the value of a number and change its decimal places. So the way we can change it is by using these two buttons. So I want to decrease this value, so I'm just gonna click decrease decimal places. But if you want to increase the decimal places, you can choose this button. So I want to decrease these decimal places. Yeah, and that's it. But as you can see, the value of this number will not change. It will show right up here. So I want to increase it back. I'm just gonna click this button, and you can get going to whatever decimal places you want. So this is another example. I'm gonna decrease these decimal places. As you can see, it will turn to 5 because the number here is more than 4, so it will change it according to its decimal places. So that is the way you can change the decimal places of a number. So that's all for my tutorial to change the decimal places. So goodbye.